Hi, fifth grade. Today in math, we are doing a little introduction to our Unit 5 of our fifth grade math curriculum. We just finished up Unit 4, and remember, that was all about multiplication. We were multiplying whole numbers, just our normal regular numbers, and then we were also learning how to multiply with decimals. So moving on to Unit 5 will be all about division. So we will first start with dividing whole numbers, normal numbers, and then we will learn how to divide those decimals. Now, we already know how to do division with normal numbers because that's something that you learned in fourth grade. So today we're just going to do a quick little review, some whiteboard practice with some long division to review with you from fourth grade how to do those long division skills. And then we will actually begin Unit 5 when we come back on Monday. So in class today, we're going to do some whiteboard review just to make sure we remember long division. And then you have a little exit ticket on Google Forms to complete today, which is 5 long division problems, just so that I can see how you're doing with them. Remember, when we are doing long division, we are going to use the saying, dangerous, monkeys, swipe, bananas. If we use this saying, dangerous monkeys swipe bananas, we will be able to do long division with any long division problem. Okay? Dangerous stands for divide. So my first step is going to be to divide. Monkeys means I'm going to multiply. Swipe means I will then subtract. And bananas, remember, means bring down. If I follow dangerous monkeys swipe bananas, I can solve any long division problem. So let's do a couple just to make sure that we remember how to do long division, and then you can work on your exit ticket for today. So first, let's do 436 divided by 3. First, I'm going to do dangerous. So how many 3s will fit into 4? 1. Monkeys, so multiply. 3 times 1 is 3. Swipe. 4 minus 3 is 1. And bananas, so I'm going to bring down my 3. Now, I brought down. If I bring down, I have to go again. So how many 3s will go into 13, starting with dangerous? 3s into 13 would be 4. Monkeys, it's going to be hard to see, but there's my 4. Monkeys, 3 times 4 is 12. Swipe, that would give me a 1. Scoot you on down so that you can see. And then bananas, so bring down, that's 6. Remember, if I bring down, I have to go again. So dangerous again. How many 3s will fit into 16? That would be a 5. Monkeys, 3 times 5 is 15. Swipe, I get a 1. Oops, hard for you to see. There you go. Bananas, but I don't have anything to bring down this time. So what is that 1 going to be if I don't have anything to bring down? That will be my remainder. So I'm going to go back up here and put capital R1. Remember, if we have a remainder, it has to be a capital R. So 145, remainder 1. Okay. Let's try another one. Sorry that it's kind of hard to see. I'm having to slide my whiteboard. That's the best that I can do because these get long. All right, let's do 478 divided by 5. Now this one's a little bit different. Hopefully you'll see why here in a second. I'm going to start with dangerous. How many 5s will fit into 4? Uh-oh, there's where it's different. 5 won't fit into 4. Remember, if this won't fit into my first number, I look at the first 2 numbers. And then I just go just like normal. So how many 5s will fit into 47? That would be 9. Monkeys, 5 times 9 is 45. Swipe, that would be a 2. And then bananas, bring down my 8. If I bring down, I go again. So start back at dangerous. How many 5s will fit into 28? That would be 5. Monkeys, 5 times 5 is 25. It's hard to see. I'll slide it for you. There you go. Swipe. So subtract. 28 minus 25 is 3. Bananas. Oop, I don't have anything to bring down, but I do have some left over. So that 3 is going to come up here as my remainder. Capital R3. So 95, remainder 3. Let's make those numbers a little bit bigger in there. Let's do 3,721 divided by 6. Alrighty, here we go with dangerous. How many 6s will fit in 3? Oh, won't fit, so we have to look at the first 2 numbers. How many 6s will fit in 37? That would be 6. Monkeys, 6 times 6 is 36. Swipe, that gives me a 1. And then bananas, bring down my 2. If I bring down, I have to go again. So now we're ready to go. 6s into 12. That would be 2. That was dangerous. Next is monkeys. 6 times 2 is 12. Swipe those. That gives me a 0. And bananas, bring down that 1. Now, sometimes when we see a 0, we freak out. Remember, zeros are just like any other number. We just keep right on going, and it will always work itself out. All right, I brought down, so I have to go again. How many 6s will fit in 1? Well, that would be 0, just like any other number, so write it up top. Monkeys, 6 times 0 is 0. Swipe, that would be a 1. Bananas, I don't have anything to bring down here, so this 1 is going to become my remainder. 620, remainder 1. All right, let's do one more just to make sure that you've got the hang of it, and then you can work on your exit ticket. All right, one more. Let's do 594 divided by 2. We'll make this a little bit smaller of 1. All right, starting with dangerous. How many 2s will fit into 5? 2. Monkeys. 2 times 2 is 4. Swipe those, and I get a 1. Bananas. Bring down my 9. If I bring down, I have to go again. So how many 2s will fit into 19? That would be 9. Monkeys. 2 times 9 is 18. Swipe, that gives me a 1, and then bananas, bring down that 4. If I bring down, I have to go again, so start with dangerous. How many 2s will fit into 14? That would be 7. Monkeys, 2 times 7 is 14. Swipe, that would give me a 0. I'm ready for bananas. Nothing to bring down. Oh, and no remainder this time. If there's a 0, remember, no remainder. So my answer is just 297. Alrighty, on your Google form when you are doing your exit ticket, you're going to need to work out your division problem. If you get no remainder, you'll just type in your answer. So on that one, we would have typed in 297. That would have been my answer. If you have a remainder, like let's say we got 131 remainder 4, you just type it in exactly like that. No spaces, and make sure your R is capital. So I would press on my keyboard, 131, capital R 4. No spaces in between. If you put a space, that's going to count it wrong. Okay, so go ahead and go to your Google form, do those 5 long division problems using dangerous, monkeys, swipe, bananas, and then once you hit submit, I will be able to see it for your exit ticket today. Nice job. We'll start lesson 1 on Monday. Bye.